Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to do the goto command, pen up command, and the pen down command. So watch the whole video so you can learn all these commands. So we have the thing that we did last time. This is what it did. We made it come and fill, but the problem was that it would fill too much red. So we can just do this. Let's just get rid of this. We got T dot color and the shape turtle. So now let's do this. T what the heck? Okay, I don't want that, but okay. Then I want you to do this. I want you to write T dot go to 79 and -20. I don't know. And then let's run it and see where the turtle is. Okay, that's where the turtle is. Normally, the turtle would just be over here, right there. That's where the turtle would mostly be. But we can't do that because we use the goto function to make it go over here, which I had no idea was over there for some reason. Okay, now now I want to do the pen up command. The pen up command basically just makes this go away. So that's why I want to do that. Okay, since we did that, we all want to make this disappear. If you actually want to, but if you don't want to, yeah, you don't need to look at this, but there's probably going to be a time you will. So let's just get rid of that and then let's code. So we can do T dot pen up parentheses. And then we put the command, so if we run it, yep, great. It worked, it was just on another screen. So this is over here, but it's supposed to be here. And it has moved there, but you see the line didn't come like it came before, so that's what we wanted. Okay, now let's put the pen down. So we drew it there, and then let's start drawing a line. Let's see. T dot. Okay, let's draw our just a line. Let's just draw a line. T dot forward 100, and let's draw. It will not work. Look, the line that we wanted didn't come up. That is because we still have it on the not the goto function, the pen up function. So it's gonna be up. When you have your pencil and you put your pen up or pencil up, will you be able to draw? No, that's like the exact same thing for this. You put your pen up off your paper and then you can't draw anything. That's the exact same thing for here. So take that as an example for this. Okay, now let's figure out how it can be seen. So we just need to put another piece of code. Like I said, we had to do the t dot pendown. I didn't talk about this, but I told you we're going to be learning three functions: the goto, penup, and pendown. If you're wondering when I'm going to be doing this pendown, it's now. So we did that. Now we can just write our parentheses. It's exact same thing like pen up, but it's just down instead of up. And then let's run. Look at that line, awesome. But if we're taking the pencil and paper example so good seriously, don't take it that seriously because you won't be able to draw a straight line in the turtle. But you get the point. You can't draw when the pencil is off the paper or held in the air. So pretend the turtle is in the air for some reason, which it can't be, but just pretend. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. And remember to share so many people can learn how to code Python. Bye.